Shut up and sit down.
Hello, gang. Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and we've had a parcel now. I've turned it upside down because my address is on the other side. So we'll get the knife of goodness out. And we'll just deftly do a sliceage. And if I remember rightly, this is from our good friend Adam over at Raging Bassist. So shout out to Ads. Many thanks there, mate. Muchly appreciated. So I'll do a bit of deft openage. Remove any of that. I'll just quickly have a looky-loo. Yeah, that's just the returns thing and the sticky. Yeah, I know what this is now. Oh, let's move the box out of the way. It's Uncle Festa. Oh, bless your heart, mate. Oh, mate, that is mint. Look at that. Oh, dear oh Lord. Oh, mate. Adam, you are a legend, buddy. Absolute legend. He's going to take pride of place in the workshop there. He'll be sitting up on there along with Magnus and Clay Morrow. So, yeah, I'm impressed, mate. You are a ledge, mate. Thank you very, very, very much, Adam. Much appreciated, mate. Uncle Festa. Oh, bless your heart. Oh, dear. Thanks for watching, fellas. I'll see you shortly. Bye.